King news, my lovely, wonderful people, is happening. The Oba of the Benin responds to Governor Monday restoring his traditional rights. Apparently, when Obaseki came, the governor who just finished his tenure in Edo State, when he came along, he kind of did some things that reduced or watered down the influence of the Oba of Benin. So afterwards, Senator Monday, as soon as he came in, the first thing was restoring the Oba rights and who he is. And right now, as we speak, Oba is saying that what Senator Monday has done is really causing headache to those who wanted to make him look like a man who has no words, who has nothing particular to offer. He said he's glad, he's really happy with the new. He's really very happy with the new governor. He's grateful, this is exactly what is happening now. He spoke very highly of the new governor. He spoke extensively that the new governor is a man, and he really appreciates him, a man of his words. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Governor Okpebholo's restoration of my statutory rights, devastating on our distractors. Oba of Benin speaks on his restoration. The Oba of Benin has described the restoration of his full statutory rights by Governor Monday Okpebholo as devastating on our distractors. The Oba also described the abolishment of newly created traditional council in Edo South Senatorial District as the immediate past governor of Edo State, Obaseki, as joyous to our friend and marvelous in the eyes of our God. Governor Obaseki came in and he created a new traditional council which will water down my influence and create rebels in our land. Edo State has been for a long time and we cannot allow such. The monarch, in a letter of appreciation to Senator Monday Okpebholo dated November the 27th, 2024, also hailed the incumbent state government for the withdrawal of the letter revoking the concession of Oba Azizer to Cultural Center in Benin and other issues of concerns which Obaseki brought in his administration, which is against the palace. We allowed him because he was the governor. But like every governor, there is a time to begin and a time to end. But Obaseki forgot that the Oba remains. I'm grateful for a son who understands the tradition and who keeps to the penance of the law and the tradition. Our dear governor will do well for the Edo people. The chief press secretary to the Oba, who made the statement available to newsmen in Benin, said the palace thanked the state government for restoring the Oba of Benin full statutory rights. This is something we've all been waiting for. Part of the letter reads, "We deeply thank Our Excellency for deeming it fit and necessary to restore the full statutory rights of the Oba of Benin. Respecting the rights and privileges of the Omoba as the tradition rules and the Benin Kingdom in Edo Senatorial South District and customary for our cultural heritage. This action of Your Excellency, which is coming barely 2 weeks into his administration, is a very welcome development. We applaud him. He's a son indeed, dear son of the kingdom who understands the tradition. What a man. He will remain blessed. It is joyous that our son can recall the right thing and do it. In the eyes of the Almighty God, this is a young man who has done the right thing." The Omoba prayed for Almighty God to continue to strengthen and guide His Excellency, the new governor, as he continues to bring about a meaningful and robust transformation in Edo State. The Benin monarch pointed out that God brought Senator Monday to sanitize Edo State. What a man. We appreciate you. What they scattered and thought that they would destroy, you came in and barely 2 weeks you restored everything. The God of the Benin people will bless you. recalled that the previous administration of Governor Gordon Obaseki had withdrawn Oba of Benin statutory rights following the creation of Parallel Benin Traditional Council, BTCS, across the 7 local government areas in Edo Senatorial South District of the state, aiming uprising by suspected Enoges, Benin dukes, accused of spearheading rebellion against the Benin monarch because they have gotten this freedom from the Oba of Benin by Obaseki. The Oba appreciated the governor immensely and said he's a man of peace. His reign will be good for the Edo people. He's a lovely young man. See the way Oba dey praise person, not be small praise. Oba say you get words of the mouth, not be small thing nobody do. He dey praise and say a lovely young man. He says he's a son of the soil. He understands tradition. Immediately he came, he began to restore things. He sounded like Obaseki. Obaseki can't spoil things. He said, but when this young man comes in, so it's a different ball game altogether. He appreciated, Senator Monday, no small deal. He said, what a young man. He came in, he saw that things were not done properly. He understood that some persons are trying to wind down the influence of the Oba, and immediately he began to restore things and say, no. What is wrong is wrong. There is no other name for it. Obaseki created a parallel council. He did not remove Oba, he did not send it to Oba, but what he did was created a parallel council, so much so that the Onoges, we were reporting to you now, Onoges took Oba of Benin they took him to court. Yes, they took Oba of Benin to court, say, waiting, now you be the only Oba. We self, we get our own money. You can't be inviting us for meeting. You can't be, things like that. It leading to rebellion. The Oba was quiet. He never really said anything or, fought against it, but he was not happy. He was not happy. You could hear it in his statement today, praising and seriously appreciating, Senator Monday. Says a true son who understands tradition. And he praised, he called talk as a lovely young man. Say, he said he go do well, he reign go good for the Edo people. Say the guy has come to sanitize things and things will be well with, will go away. Wow. He said they distract us. He said he can prepare them. He said, but they prepare them right now. He said no. He said, but he thanked the young man, that Senator Monday, for doing what he did. You see, and so please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe, click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice, and every one of us must do what is needed and right to make it better. God bless. Bye for now.